Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Blue Apron meal kit delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Blue Apron is a meal kit delivery service app designed to make home cooking easier by providing pre-portioned ingredients and step-by-step recipes delivered directly to your door. The app allows users to browse weekly menus, select meals that fit their preferences, and manage deliveries with flexibility. It also includes wine pairing suggestions, cooking tips, and the ability to skip or reschedule deliveries as needed. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the high-quality ingredients, chef-designed recipes, and convenience of having everything pre-measured and ready to cook. The app's interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to track upcoming deliveries, adjust serving sizes, and access digital recipe cards. Some also enjoy the nutritional information provided, which helps with meal planning and maintaining dietary goals. Still, there are a few downsides. The service can be more expensive compared to traditional grocery shopping, and portion sizes may not always satisfy larger households. Delivery issues, such as missing ingredients or late shipments, have been reported occasionally. Additionally, while the variety of recipes is decent, it may feel limited over long-term use if you cook often. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Blue Apron app may be worth using if you're looking for a convenient way to cook fresh, balanced meals at home without the hassle of grocery shopping. It shines in recipe quality, organization, and ease of use. However, if you're on a tight budget or want more freedom in meal selection, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.